Managing Power BI shouldn't feel like a puzzle. What if you could forget about licenses, permissions, and data limitations? Say hello to stress-free, scalable analytics with Power BI Premium Embedded from Impact IT. With our embedded solution, your users get full access to interactive Power BI reports without needing individual licenses. It makes it easy for everyone in your company to learn from data and scale without worries, so everyone can get the insights they are looking for. We use Microsoft's premium capacity model, so you save time and money. Plus, your team gets super fast performance and data that refreshes as often as you need, not just 8 times a day. All your reports, centralized in one secure, branded portal. Need control over who sees what? No problem. Role-based access means users only view the data meant for them. And with seamless drill-through to Impact IT's Matrix for Business Data Analysis, Exploration, and Visualization platform, you can jump from charts to raw data in a click. See the tabular data populating your Power Report directly. You can filter it freely in an easy and intuitive way and use your data in the way it works best for you. Whether you're embedding one dashboard or hundreds, our platform scales effortlessly, and no Power BI or infrastructure expert is required. Ready to cut costs and level up your reporting experience? Learn more about Impact IT's Power BI Premium Embedded model. Enterprise-grade analytics made simple and affordable.